new video about giving food to the frontliners. But wait, there's magic on my phone. Whenever I take a picture of clothes, then I stand up. It'll go right on. So let's just wow! That was so cool! Now it's time to cook adobo for the frontliners. Cooking Rred! It's time to cook for the frontliners. Some people whose specialty is adobo. Please watch my other video. Need is some eggs, pepper, I'm not touching, and bay leaves, and some garlic and onions, and some adobo pork, whatever you call it, some oil, and some soy sauce. I don't know what's that, but also black pepper just in case we need stuff. Let's go. Time to add in the oil. Time to let it get hot. Welcome, guys, to the onion cooking show. Kidding. I just have to put in the onions. Hallelujah. I'm sorry, Mom, that I accidentally added all of them first, except for the, We just added a ton of meat. And I can't believe we're cooking for 30 people. I hope they pay us back. Yay! Just kidding, we ain't doing that. So, we're gonna fill this up in a container. Look how plenty of meat. It's the first time I ever cooked for 30 people. That's why I don't know how it tastes like. We're gonna add more eggs in the container, more than these, because this is for me. Because I'm really hungry. Because this took a long video. Now it's time to fill them in the container. Then, Mommy, you add the rice. Then we're gonna add pork. Then we're gonna add the egg. Now it's time to add the adobo. Since I am the one, since my mom created it, I still have to try it. Okay. I am so sorry to all those frontliners that accidentally made. I tried the pork with the finger. My testing spoon. And I put the lip. So now, oh my god! Now it's time to add the egg. All of this just for frontliners. Oh my god! You know there's homeless people too. Since we're done packing all the food inside containers, it's time to put these in the back. Then let's go in. Mom, can I drive? Just kidding. I want to drive still though. But my mom will drive. Then we're gonna then my mom's gonna distribute it to the frontliners.
Salamat ha.
Sige, bye-bye. 15, sir, no?
Oo. Thank you kayo, ma'am.
May problema, sir. Ganihara ko na dito niya kay. Diha man day mo, lain man day mo.
Oo. City na dre.
Ah. Ya madara nimo?
Huwag ka nakabalik.
Ah, sige. Pera, sir. Ay. Atra ba?
Wala na. Ma'am.
Ah. Amping mo kanunay, ha?
Ma'am, thank you kayo sa inyong tabang, ma'am, ha?
May problema. Sige, amping mo.
Sige.
Mom's already done giving all the food to the frontliners. This is the end. The time where I had nothing to do and just stare at the camera. By the way, we're gonna do embarrassing stories, so please just click on my link and then watch the video. Okay, time to say goodbye. Bye, goodbye, like and share. Please press the notifications and ring the bell button.